Soak into my skin. 'cause I just can't stay here.